Do you always forget to water your plants and you want something to do it automatically? Well, check this out. This is an automatic plant waterer. It is a wireless drip irrigation system that is completely customizable that you can use and set up so that your plants get watered automatically. And this kit even comes with a little solar panel that you can connect right to the water pump to help maintain power. And since it has a USB-C cable connected to it, you can even charge your phone if you want. Just know it's going to be slow charging. So this solar panel isn't a good option for charging up the unit, but its purpose here is to help maintain power to the unit. But you can also charge the battery in the unit through other USB-C methods like a charging block. The kit comes with a spool of rubber tubing, and this is what's going to connect your water source to your pump and then connect your pump to all your plants. You just cut the tubing down to the size you need, connect all the parts, and you're good to go. So this whole thing starts with a water source. For this example, I'm just using a glass jar full of water so you can see everything work, but you can use whatever you got. We've got the filter screen and we've got some tubing. So we're going to go from the filter screen through the tube to the in on the pump. That is where we're going to be pulling water from to send to our plants. And then on the other end, we have tubing, we have flow valves, and we have T-fittings. Your flow valves are going to be where the water comes out, and you can control the output from as low as drips to a high pressure flow. It just depends on what you're looking for. The T-fittings allow you to disperse your output through multiple outputs, and you can water up to 15 plants. So you use the combination of the tubing, the T-fittings, and the flow valves however you need to adjust to your custom settings. So if you just have one plant, you don't need any T-fittings, but depending on how many plants you have, that'll determine how many T-fittings and flow valves you're going to need. The drip irrigation main unit has a bunch of settings to adjust, completely customizable. Customize the water duration, what time the watering happens, the water intervals, and then you could also manually start and stop the water. So when it comes down to it, this kit is completely flexible and customizable, meant to adapt to your plant situation. Gives you a bunch of stuff and then you take it from there. So if you're in the market for a completely customizable automatic drip irrigation kit that can water up to 15 plants so you don't forget to, maybe this is for you.